How to change Roblox profile picture on PC and laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Roblox profile picture on your PC or your laptop. So first of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page, the main screen of Roblox, and on the left side, click on the avatar to view your current avatar. You can browse the marketplace or customize your avatar by clicking Customize at the top to select different items. In order to set your profile picture, go to the preview area on the right, and in the top left corner of the preview, you will see your current profile icon. Click on it to choose an emote for your pose. After that, click on Next at the bottom to adjust the position. Zoom. If you need to start over, there is a reset button available. And when you're satisfied with your changes, click on Save. And that's it. This is exactly how you will be able to change your Roblox profile picture on your PC or laptop. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.